May bago tayong correspondent ng News Moto, si Kenneth, taga General Trias. Nakita namin dito sa event.
Tapan yan, tapan.
Top 1 fan.
News Moto na
May
Para si
match.
Jorex, tapan yan.
Top 1.
We have invited you to witness for the first time the official unveiling to our media partners and friends, Wheeltek Harley-Davidson of Cavite, the store.
Oh, okay, very nice.
So, makikita naman kanina, naalala mo, pag nakita mo sa palibot natin may confetti, we unveiled our first Harley-Davidson store to you, gentlemen and ladies of our media partners. We walked you through the store para makita ninyo what's in this particular area and corner para magkaroon ng better appreciation of what Harley is all about and the lifestyle that it is committing to develop and grow.
Okay, sir. In a nutshell,
Yes.
bilang bisita, anong makikita ko pag dumayo ako, punta dito, anong makikita ko dito? Pwede mo pagmayabang yung
Well,
facilities nito, tsaka makikita ko dito.
Siyempre, yung facilities, lahat yan po nabibili. Pero ang number one na kakaiba rito sa tindahan namin, yung mga tao. Sabi nga ni Boss Rosco kanina, di ba? We're proud of the manpower, the team that we've assembled to represent Harley. We have a lineup of people experienced in the Harley motorcycle culture and lifestyle.
I have never seen a company as seriously dedicated to promoting brand development.
Top service ka agad may expect ko dito.
Yes,
na ano.
and personalized. If you also remember, sabi nung isang kasama natin kanina, what is better than buying a Harley-Davidson motorcycle? Buying it from a friend. Yan. Kami po yun.
Tropa lahat to.
Yan, ganun po.
Mga motor lahat.
We do not promise anything, but we just want to be your friend and come over, feel relaxed, feel at home. We will discuss a common interest, which is Harley-Davidson motorcycle.
We're going to be doing a test ride. This is going to be a different and unique kind of test ride. We call it the test ride challenge.
Along Aguinaldo, you go straight, past the bridge, all the way to the Arc of Dasmariñas, yung Dasmariñas Arc. Then you make a U-turn. You will drive through McDonald's and get a free snack sa drive-thru. So you don't have to park the bike or anything. Just go through the drive.
Actually, alam mo, itong Udulio family, itong Udulio siblings, si Boss Raymond, Boss John, and Boss Rosco are very, very into the groove of the community. So, napupulsuhan nila lahat yan. So, there was an opportunity for us to take part and be a member of the Harley-Davidson family in the Philippines. Eh, eto na. We grabbed it, we went there, sabi nila, let's go for it. Lo and behold. Kasi nag-start po kami noong Abril lang last year. Eto na sila, pumunta na rito, sila po pumili ng lugar dito. We were surprised, they visited us, all the top executives of Harley-Davidson here in Asia. Sabi nila, we like this place, so here we are.
Okay, last na lang. Ako, pwede ba akong dumayo dito? Paano ko ba mahanap to?
Yun ang magandang tanong. Nasaan kami? Well, we are at Anabu, here in Imus. Ano po ang landmark? Palagay ko sa buong Aguinaldo Highway, isa lang po madadaanan mo may overpass.
May overpass.
Correct?
Ako naman,
O, dito.
nag-ano ako,
MCX?
S-Lex, tapos MCX.
MCX,
Tapos
yun.
tumbok na.
Ay makikita mo pa rin yun,
Napakadali.
yung overpass. Pagka galing ka ng MCX, S-Lex, eh huwag ka pong aakit ng overpass. Kumanang ka po pag nakita mo yung overpass sa Aguinaldo intersection. Sa kanto po ng Aguinaldo at saka ng Daang Hari, nandun yung overpass. Pagka galing ka sa MCX, kumanang ka, 500 meters, we are on your left. Pag galing ka po sa Maynila, bago mag-overpass ng Aguinaldo Daang Hari, nandito po kami sa kanan.
Napakadaling hanapin
Yan.
na ano.
At saka makikita mo, very distinct, may Harley-Davidson na karatula. itong mga darating na araw, people are going to see it and they're going to associate this place with Harley-Davidson.
Tsaka sinearch ko lang kanina sa Waze, Wheeltek, hinanap ko.
Lumabas na, no?
Wheeltek, Anabu, Harley-Davidson, lumabas.
Lumabas.
So ito daw ang pangalan, official name, Wheeltek Harley-Davidson.
Yes, it's an honor for us to be given the privilege to put the name of our company, Wheeltek Motor Sales Corporation, before the brand, an iconic brand, Harley-Davidson. Kaya ikinararangal po namin yan. Maraming salamat sa abilidad at talent ng aking mga boss, the Odulio siblings, led by Boss Roscoe, of course.
Ito meron akong isang ito matagal ko na naririnig. Nagto-two wheels, dalawang klase lang nagto-two wheels. Nagmo-motor at saka nag-Harley-Davidson. May sarili mundo daw ang Harley.
Well,
Harley.
Totoo yan.
A cut above everyone else.
Totoo yan. Kasi the bikes have been maintained the way it was from the very beginning. Yung BNG nila, yun. They never really pushed through with so much experimentation except yung ngayon, yung live wire ng Wheeltek.
So may siya, sense of pride of its ownership.
Oo, tama yan. Tapos yung kanina pinaliwanag ko nga, they went beyond the specification of the motorcycle by developing a culture, a community. Kaya na-transform. It's now a lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle, a pag-Harley. Thank you. Sir Bobby Odulio, yan ang tito ko sa pagmumotor. Original. Great life, great morning.
Great morning. Salamat. Nagkamali ka doon. Bobby Orbe, hindi Bobby Odulio. Okay lang yun.